chaîne montagneuse des montagnes Laurentides et la route 138 Est qui longe le fleuve là-bas devant nous. Donc au niveau du fleuve, là, c'est la 138 plus élevée que la chute Niagara en Ontario, mais moins puissante et plus étroite. By the way, guys, this waterfall is fed by a river that flows for about 35 to 40 miles from the Laurentian Mountains up north, from a very large spring-fed lake at the source of everything.
Kaya ngayon laging bulong-bulong ang puso isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka at sa sinay na babalik ka. Dahil ba ang puso ko labis na umibig sa'yo hanggang kailan ba tingin?
Oh, okay. I'll down with the I've never been there, but I've heard a lot.
Yesterday I felt the wind blowing round my shoulder. Feel like I'm getting older. Still I can't forget your face. Separated by a million miles of ocean, my heart still feels the motion, even in this lonely place. Old photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burned into my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highways, it's the country lanes and byways that makes us long for home. Lately I just find my mind has turned to dreaming, making plans and scheming. How is endless. We climb our mountains all alone. Old photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burned into my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highways, it's the country lanes and highways that make us long for home. Old photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burned into my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highways, it's the country lanes and byways that make us long for home. Old photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burned into my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highway.
Mga tala ay mas nagniningning.
Kaano man kakapal ang ulan,
Sa likod nito ay may liwanag.
iwanan na ito'y nasa ating lahat.
May sinag ang bawat pusong bukas.
Sa init ng mga yakap, maghihilom ang lahat ng sugat.
Ang nasilbi nitong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling makakakulay ang Pasko. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling makakakulay ang Pasko.
Tayo ang ilaw sa madilim na daan.
Pagkakabit-bisig, lalong higpitan.
Dumaan man sa malakas na alon.
Lahat tayo'y magkakaahon. Maliwanag na ito'y nasa ating lahat. May sinagang bawat pusong bukas. Sa init ng mga yakap, maghihilom ang lahat ng sugat. Ang nasilbi nitong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling makakakulay ang Pasko. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling
Hi, hello Raul. I heard it's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your 60th birthday. O Tanjobi omedetou gozaimasu. Happy birthday. Live by satellite here in Las Vegas. Happy birthday from Roma. Mwah.
Sir, kalma. Ako lang to. Gulat ka, no? Ako nagulat din eh. 60 ka na pala, sir. Happy birthday, sir. Salamat sa, sa pagsasama pala. Unforgettable yung mga moments natin. Walang dull moments. And, ayun, sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. At, siguro, enjoy your day na lang. And see you after your birthday. And, yun lang. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Raul. More birthdays tomorrow.
Happy birthday, sir. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday. Sana sir, continue sa good health at saka more project to come. Bagay na sir. Sir Raul, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na panaka ngayon. Kumating. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy 60th birthday. Today we celebrate an incredible milestone for someone who's not just been a boss, but a mentor, friend, and even family to us.
As you turn 60, I hope you feel the love and appreciation from everyone whose lives you've touched. Wishing you a fantastic day filled with joy, laughter, good health, and exciting adventures ahead of you. Happy 60th birthday, Boss Raul, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Birthday, Sir Raul!
Happy birthday, Sir Raul.
Birthday!
Good morning, Raul Bernal, my Brad. Happy 60th birthday. And may you have many, many more. Pasensya ka na. Hindi ako makapag-go live. I can only show you my pictures and bobs. And the wishes come from both of us. Hindi pa kasi gising yung aking production and video team. Yaan. And I would like to speak a prayer of blessing for you. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord lift up His face upon you and give you peace. So, stay healthy and God bless. Happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Hi, Raul. Otanjobi omedetou gozaimasu. May you enjoy God's graces and prosper with His guidance and wisdom. Good health be upon you. Stay as happy as you are always. Live your life to the fullest. Again, happy 60th birthday. Itsumo genki de ne. Mataaimashou.
Pare, balita ko birthday mo daw. Dahil sa 22 years old ka na. More blessings. And stay fit and healthy. And may God always bless you. Happy birthday again. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless.
Happy birthday, Raul. Many more years to come. And I wish you good health, happiness, and more wealth para marami ka pang matulungan. And stay safe always. God bless you more. 60 years old ka na sa wakas. Fuck! Naiiyak ako.
Happy birthday, Raul. Certified bunso ng Adelpa. Ngayon, senior ka na, kaya enjoy your discounts and wish ko sa'yo good health lagi sa iyo at sa family mo. And of course, more healthier drinks now. Happy birthday!
Hi Raul, happy 60th birthday! And welcome to the Seniors Club. Ang wish ko sa'yo is to have a healthy, wealthy life together with my kumari Monique, syempre, and ano pa ba? Wala na akong maisip kasi you have everything na. So, wish you all the best. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Brad! Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. Dual citizen ka na rin. At last, meron ka na ring ID. Pwede na natin gamitin. So, buong table, may mga senior citizen ID na. So, let's enjoy. And enjoy your birthday celebration. God bless.
Kung kailan
mag-iingat ka, magpalakas ka para pag nakita tayo ulit. Ito.
Raul-san! Otanjo Biomedico! Kampai!
Happy birthday, Tito Raul!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Sir Raul, happy birthday and many more. More travels, more hikes, more runs, more draft beer. By the way, pag lumabas tayo, may discount na tayo. Yun. Happy birthday, Sir Raul. Cheers. Have a good one.
Ay, paring Raul. Bilang pagpupugay sa iyong karawan, binabati ka kaya ng happy birthday at naway bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang panahon. Pasensya na, hindi ako makakapunta kung saan ka man magpapaparty. Pero para malaman mo, mamimiss ko ang paparty mo. Happy birthday ulit, compadre. Mula sa akin at sa aking mahal sa buhay, si Mama Day. Happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Hi Chief, long time no see. Pero syempre, di ko makakalimutang batiin ka ngayong kaarawan mo. Happy birthday and many more years to come.
Happy birthday, Tito Raul.
Have a good day. Good day.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Raul. Kita-kita tayo dyan next month.
Happy birthday, Tito Raul. I love you very much. I miss you. I hope you have the best birthday ever. And I can't wait to see you.
Hey, Tito Raul. Happy birthday from Florida.
Ethan Raul, maligayang karawan sa'yo. Kita-kita next month.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Raul. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
And many more.
Have
Celebrate.
a good
Celebrate. Have a great time.
I love you, Raul. Thanks for everything. Bye.
Happy birthday, Daddy! I love you! From Rocky!
Happy birthday, Tito. I wish you all the best po and many more blessings and adventures to come. May you live a longer life po and we love you so much. Thank you po for everything. Happy birthday again.
Dad, happy 60th birthday po. Shut na po.
Happy birthday, Dad. Wish ko sa inyo more blessings to come, tsaka good health. Kapag lumalabas kayo, ingat po kayo palagi. Tsaka salamat sa lagi niyong pagsuporta sa amin dalawa ni Pao.
Hello Dad, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health. Mag-iingat ka palagi. We love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Dad. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health and maging happy ka always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Dad. Love you.
Happy birthday, Raul.
Hi, Han! Birthday greetings from Canada and a special message from Rocky. Han, on your 60th birthday, syempre, I have 3 wishes for you. Syempre, yung una, good health. Bantayan ang cholesterol. And konting iwas lang sa pag-inom. Konting bawas lang naman, alam kong mahilig ka sa inom. And then, second is long life. Syempre, dapat more playtime with Rocky. Alam mo naman si Rocky, napakakulit. And then, more love. Kahit magkalayo tayo. And syempre, and we will make that special by visiting me, syempre, more moments and special memories here and in Pinas. And then now, it's your turn to make your birthday wish. See the cake? Sinong kamukha? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. O ako na lang. Joke. Happy birthday, Han. And hope to see you soon. Syempre, with Rocky. Bye. I love you.